So you want to start making money with clipping? MrBeast actually just released his own clipping platform, and it is literally the easiest to use out there. Way easier than Whop or any other platform. I'll show you how it works and how easy it is to start making some money over there. It just released, so I just posted a few clips yet on YouTube. When you sign up, you are met with this dashboard page. Here you can see active campaigns. Like here, this is the active campaign by MrBeast. He pays $3 per 1,000 views, which is actually pretty good. And when you click on it, you can see all the terms of posting for this campaign, and the terms are actually pretty easy. You can download his video, basically clip it, or make kind of Subway server top and bottom videos. Just post a hashtag under your social media post with a clip, and then you can submit it over here. When you click on that button, you are going to this page and you can submit your link. I just made a new TikTok account to start posting these links on. I warmed it up yesterday. Yesterday I tried posting there, but it was too fresh of an account, so the links would not be able to add in this platform. Also, the account was not visible for other accounts, so you need to warm up your account first by liking, commenting, and browsing TikTok. Then the next day you can slowly start posting. I just made a post over here like 10 minutes ago. I add the link over here. I connect the account and I click continue. And now we can see the post is actually recognized. We can see I added the hashtag over here, and here you select the campaign that you want to use this clip for. Click my post follows campaign rules. There we go. You can rewatch your clip over here and you can click submit. There we go. And now we see your post has been submitted. You'll receive an email when your post has been reviewed. This is actually pretty quick. Probably within half an hour you'll get that email and your post is accepted for the campaign, and then your views start counting towards the campaign. You can submit, I believe, as many posts as you want, and in total all your posts together need to get at least 1,000 views, which is pretty easy. Even bad posts on TikTok often get like 300 to 1,000 views. On YouTube Shorts, it's a little bit different. You can also post on Instagram. But yeah, if you post quite a lot, maybe with different accounts, you for sure will get that 1,000 views and you'll start earning some money. Again, $3 per 1,000 views, which is really good. Now, if you want to see how much you have earned so far, you can go here, click on my posts. And there you can see a live update. They update quite often, probably every hour or half an hour. And you can see 2 posts are approved. These are not really going through the YouTube algorithm, so I should post different clips probably there. But yeah, one has 10 views and they are saying it has already earned me 3 cents, which is super easy for literally no effort. I have more hopes for TikTok to give me a couple of views. I will post a few clips over there and I'll update you guys on that later. But yeah, this one is just submitted, it's pending, and this will probably get me hopefully $3, and if I post a couple of times, a multiple of that. So yeah, that's how you start clipping and start making money with Vyro.com. This is the website, again, Vyro.com. The newest and easiest to use clipping platform on the internet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like. Bye.